What it do, YouTube? It's your boy JB Food Reviews coming at you with another YouTube video. Today we're going to be reviewing the Dairy Queen Oreo and Reese's Peanut Butter Cup Blizzard. Pass it to me. I said, pass it to me. Thanks for the assist. Right off the bat, YouTube, just look at this. Look at this packaging, boy. DQ. I gotta get this shot right here. Thumbnail. Okay. Look at this, YouTube. Look at this, YouTube. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Let's get straight up. Let's be straight up. Let's get into this. Bite one. That's pretty good. Bite two. Bite three. There we go. Let me get some of this juice. You ready? YouTube! Right off the bat, YouTube. It is great. It's delicious. It's creamy. It's just everything you want. It's like a party in your mouth, bro. It's a party in your mouth. This joint is so freaking good, dude. Dang. It is so good. YouTube, I give DQ 2 superbs. 2. YouTube, this thing is so good. Go out there, go to your local DQ and pick one of these up. It's like $3. $3. Anyone can get it, dude. This is a small. I ain't got those mini ones, those are for little babies, dude. I got a freaking small, boy. So, yo, go pick one of these up. It's delicious, it's great, it's creamy, it's everything you want. It's like a party in your stomach, dude. It's popping. Well, comment down below what you want me to review next. Something else from DQ, McDonald's fries, like those, anything, like sub stuff. So comment down below and comment some tips on what I should work on and what I need to do. So, yeah. Subscribe, nigga!